What's up, YouTube? Crypto Troll bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, we're going to talk about how crypto.com is absolutely going to be big in this next bull market. And they are pretty much going overseas, man. They're pretty much going overseas, attacking all of the jurisdictions that they possibly can, making it to where you are actually earning money on your cryptocurrencies when you're using their crypto.com Visa debit card. And also, they're doing some things in the stablecoin market that no other exchange is currently doing. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about price as well. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. I'm going to continue to bring this news throughout the bear market because we know bear market is where the money is made. You want a dollar cost average in the bear market, and it's a lot of things that's going on that is very bullish for the crypto space in its entirety. We see that all of these ETFs are getting past the new ETF, or not getting past rather, but are getting put in front of the SEC, and a new ETF has just been put in front of the SEC. And I think that's very bullish news just moving forward. Now, they haven't been passed just yet, but the pressure is on the SEC for these Bitcoin ETFs. And I think once that happens, it's going to open the floodgates to so much more liquidity that's going to be put on the blockchain in the Bitcoin space. And I think that's going to lead to more people investing in altcoins, trying to find bigger returns. And I do believe that's how the bull market is going to start. Now, we might not see this until next year, but like I said, this just gives us more time to accumulate. So what the price is looking like today, man, prices are looking like they are in the green across the crypto space. So let's look at that and let's talk about it. So, man, we can see right now Chronos and Crow is at 5 cents and it's up, almost 1% on the day. So today is a green day for the crypto space. If we look in the top left hand corner, we can see market cap is at 1.06 trillion and that's up 1% on the day. So love to see those green days for the market cap. And I also like to see the fear and greed index 38 out of 100, man. So it's slowly but surely climbing up that rank, man, climbing up to where people are not being as fearful as they once were to buy crypto, but it's still very, very low. I do think we have to see what the Fed is going to do as far as interest rates, and as far as if they want to actually, pass all of these Bitcoin ETFs, but want to show you guys like how the narrative is going to change eventually. We always see this happen, man. First, they laugh at you as a joke and then they become fearful of you. And I think right now the fear is seeking in, especially around cryptocurrency across the board. A lot of people don't want the crypto and Bitcoin to replace, the value of the dollar or our currencies, but I believe it's going to happen in the future. It's just a matter of a time. Now, it might not happen as fast as we would like it, but it's going to happen. So that's why it's always good to dollar cost average in these bear markets. So we can see market cap is at $1.2 billion, ranked 36. And I always say that crypto.com and the Chronos Crow coin will be a top 25 cryptocurrency project once we hit that bull market, because they're going to see all of the things that you can use Crow for, man. All of the advantages and all of the things that the Chronos blockchain and the crypto.com app team is building out, giving you rewards on your money. So we can see volume is down 17%, coming in at $4.1 million. And if we look to the right, we see that Chronos has opened up the accelerator program. You can apply to our 3-month program. Let's click it and see what they're talking about on this post. So they pretty much are saying like they got the accelerated support for early stage projects, 12 weeks of workshops and mentorship, and $100 million back war chest. Now this is going to be big, especially right now. We want to get these projects that's building in a bear market. Now we do know when projects come on in the bull market, we see a lot of appreciation very fast, but I would rather see a project build throughout the bear market and really just show how they can withstand the rain and really build instead of trying to just get that price appreciation fast. They can really show the people like we are building here and we know what we're doing, and we started in the bear market, but the price appreciated in the bull market. So this will bring so many more developers onto the Chronos blockchain. And I think I always say about the network effect, the more developers you have, the better your blockchain will be, because it's showing people are actually making dApps, especially if they are innovative dApps that are planning to change how we do specific things. Now, something that I saw that was also bullish is exclusive, unlike extra spending rewards for crypto.com Visa card. You get an extra 0.5% for the Ruby Steel and an extra 1% for the Jade Green / Royal Indigo. So this is very, very big, especially for the EU holders. You can get up to 3% back in Crow. And I know that's very, very little amount if you just think about small liquidity portions. But if you have a lot of money, this can be absolutely huge once we hit that bull market. And I think this is going to bring more people into the Chronos ecosystem and the crypto.com out, because I'm not sure if it is an exchange out there that's really doing what Chronos is doing. Really just trying to do the really big picture about cryptocurrency. I think the picture is so big, and I think they're trying to cover the entire landscape, the decentralized and centralized portion of it, and just bringing real world use cases. With this card, you can really use crypto to buy things, buy your everyday things, and you can spend it pretty much everywhere. So this is just showing how Crow and Chronos is really showing or building out the entire ecosystem and making crypto have a real world use case. Now, calling all PYUSD and USDC holders earn plus now offers increase a reward rate of 5.25%. So you can earn greater rewards with PYUSD and USDC. Now, I talked about this while back, but I still think this is so big of a news that a lot of people didn't realize. Like, you can earn 5% on stable coins, and people really don't even get that in the stock market. And I think that we are so spoiled in the crypto space that we're looking for those 100% APRs or 50% APRs, but these are really real gains on your stable coins that stay at $1. So I'm not saying it's not risky at all, but it just has less risk when you are using stable coins that are pegged to the dollar, and you can earn that percentage. And the more liquidity that you have, the more money that you can make. So that's my video for today, Crypto Tro. Just want to give you an update on what's going on the crypto.com app and the Chronos blockchain. Had to talk about price as well. It's so many bullish narratives that's going on for the entire crypto space that is not being broadcasted, but it's actually happening. And you got to always look deeper into it, look behind the scenes and see what everything is happening right now before our eyes. So, Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.